Now, we are going to see about G2P payments. What is G2P payments? Government to person payments. Government to person payments. What does this mean? These G2P payments, government to person payments, refers to the social protection safety programs. Social protection safety programs. So, it is normally given to the lower and downtrodden people of the society in a country. So, social protection safety programs is what mostly coming under the meaning of government to person payments. Now, what happens here? It was originally a cash based payment, but throughout the world after the pandemic, governments have reduced cash payment and looking for digital payment tools to make the distribution. So, digitization is happening widely in G2P area. What is the benefit of digitization? Digitization allows governments to send the money without transferring physical cash. So many countries in Africa have started digitizing government transfers, and one of the first country was South Africa. Let us see each of these case studies one by one. How does it happen throughout the world? Now, what happens in South Africa? South Africa was one of the first countries, and they have introduced a method called biometric identification. So, what they have introduced is nothing but biometric identification and debit card grant payment disbursement system. And what happens in East Africa? In East Africa, how is G2P payments made? There is a spread of mobile money in East Africa. So the governments and non-profits are using mobile money to distribute grants to the beneficiaries. And also many sub-Saharan African countries are considering rolling out digital ID system. So one more area is digital ID system. And coupling them with the social protection programs. So how does this digitization happens? At what stage does it happen? It can happen at different stages. It can happen in the first stage, that is selection of beneficiaries. Then it can happen for management of payment systems. Or it can also happen for data collection, high frequency data collection. Then it can also happen at money distribution stage. Many countries are aiming to digitize their economies in the hope that this will allow them to centralize the system, make them more efficient, reach wider range of beneficiaries, among other benefits. Now, what are the effects of digitization of G2P payments? What are the plus points of digitization? Point number 1. The first advantage is reduced cost. Reduced cost. Reduced cost to collect the social payment. So, this is a benefit for the recipient. They need not wait in long queue to collect the money. They also save in the transportation cost. So there is a reduced time and travel cost. So there is better decision making power for the people. Second, reduced delays and uncertainties and reduced uncertainty in payment. So digital payment can reduce the delay and uncertainty of payment. Physical cash is difficult to transport. There is also delay in the delivery of money due to weather and road infrastructure. So digital transfer will reduce the stress and also improve the predictability and reliability of payments. Third, improved access. Improved access to financial product and services. Digitized G2P payment could lead to greater financial inclusion through improved access. G2P payments are thought to be gateway for financial inclusion. Next, more flexible payment modalities. More flexible payment modalities. Digitization allows for increased flexibility of G2P payment. Digitized payment can more easily be made in lump sum or incrementally over time. Payment timing of when the money arrives can be adjusted more easily in digital payments compared with physical cash. Now, what are the drawbacks of G2P payments? Point number 1, exclusion of beneficiaries. Exclusion of beneficiaries. So, if beneficiaries are not able to navigate the system of digital G2P payments, they may not be able to access their grants even when eligible. Then there might be exploitation. Exploitation can happen. And so, what happens in exploitation? G2P payments normally facilitate connection with other financial products. But without adequate digital financial literacy, beneficiaries could be connecting their accounts to financial products they do not require. Now, what happened in some countries, without understanding about the scanners and biometric system, the beneficiaries had to place their fingers on multiple scanners. So that is leading to dubious practices, and because there is a massive public outcry, some vendors have to be charged. Then next is privacy concern. There is privacy concern when digitally collecting beneficiary data through G2P program. Once G2P program moves towards digital distribution, the ease of surveillance is far greater. Beneficiaries who receive G2P payments may not fully comprehend the value of data and the ways in which it could be used in digital format. There are also ethical questions around the informed consent. So, strong privacy framework is a major concern.